Peace, love, and light. Healing through inspiration. How y'all doing? It's a great Grandos Day. I haven't even been keeping track of this. I've just been doing it. I said, I haven't eaten in like 3 days. Think I'm still doing my tea fast. I made like some lemonade through like with the powdered lime. And I still been drinking tea, so just like liquids and water and stuff. That's it. Like, wow, this is crazy. This is crazy. If y'all hear that in the background, if y'all, I don't know if y'all can or not, it's me. Cause I did start to feel a little bit hungry today. And I got some chickpeas. It's been so cold, you don't want to go nowhere. And there's other reasons why. We're not gonna speak on that. If you've been keeping up, you guys can figure why. But so I said, start boiling some chickpeas. Let them soak. Just saying. Just bought some quinoa in bulk. By the way, that's a great deal too for people trying to get this. You want to get the alkaline, food, or just get healthier food. You know what I'm saying? It's because quinoa. I know at what's his name, 16 ounces of quinoa at freaking Target is $10, $11. It used to be $8, and they raised the price up. What it is? This Android 19 fear mass syndrome. Fear mass society stuff happens. They raised the price up to like 10 and 11. So, and it's kind of like too stuff that go fast. It's like grain, So it's like that's even a lot for rice. You can get a big bag of rice for that price, but it's like still like a little bag, whatever. Some people go to Walmart and get a $5 and 2 pounds for like $5. But if you go online, I ordered 25 pounds of quinoa. And I get it for like $60, 61, $62. So, yeah, and I got the white. I got tricolor before, and I got white now. And then you can also get it bulk on chickpeas. I haven't gotten the bulk on chickpeas. What I did do is when I went to Target, because that stuff in clearance, one day they had stuff they didn't have. It's like chickpeas. And it was like charging it for like literally like a pound, 16 ounces or something bag. Sorry for like cents. It was ridiculous. It was like less like 50 cents or something. It was like something from another store they sent to the wrong store, so they was trying to get rid of it. Nigga, I bought all them hoes. I think one I didn't buy because it had like a hole or something in it. I bought every single one, yo. Like, what are you talking about? And I was kind of like saving too, and it's like great too for like stuff too, like I don't know. And another thing too is I've been talking about it a bit. I wanted to do it a little bit. Was what you call Whole Foods shopping, not Whole Foods shopping, wholesaler. Sorry. Another thing too is what I bought some grapeseed oil. Some grapeseed oil. Some grapeseed oil in the I bought them online. I bought a gallon like $35. Might have been just so kind of like to get it over with, get it there. As this fast, I become it's more time to do things per se, and I notice I've been more focused. I've been less distracted, alluding to distracting things. I just had to split it. Let's see if it was ready. Still ain't yet. Putting that back in. Yeah, it's kind of, it's split. Sorry, it's split, but it's like, it can be cooked more. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, I was getting grapeseed oil, and It's like I got it in bulk. No, I'm sorry, I got it in a gallon. It's like $34, $35. And I'm like, I know some places they charge the little bottles, like the regular size bottle for like 16, 12. You know, I'm only doing this for like, I'm trying to get y'all sauce too, because people are trying to transition to this stuff. Because it's just almost kind of like crazy to me when people are like talking about like, being vegan, it's expensive. And I'm just like, whoa, the frick you talking about? We're more than just a vegan. But it's vegans, well, vegan is actually political. Vegan is actually political. You don't eat animal products, and you don't wear animal. I don't strive to wear the. I don't eat animal products, and I don't strive to wear the dead, as well. So yeah, because when I'm looking through something, I remember I was in a store one time, and it was like belts, and it was like leather. And like leather, I didn't want to. I prefer not to have a dead animal. I was like, nah, I don't want to wear that, because that's something that was a living being. It was a living being. It had life, and no need for it to be killed simply for the selfish gain of someone just to something to wear and some type of stylish trend is that is very selfish. It's very, very disrespectful. And through the pain and the trauma and getting gutted, your life being taken before your eyes. And these things are living beings. They're very conscious, these animals. And the fact that you choose to wear that, simply because of that, very disrespectful. Very, regardless of what you say, the energy alone, that's most definitely prevalent. And I'm not sitting here talking from a sentences of false deities, of God, dogs spelled backwards. I'm just simply coming with a base of energy. So sorry. So, like with a vegan, it's like, dog, you could go, like I used to get, when I was just vegan, I used to get like beans from the dollar store. They got just a pound of beans for $1. You can get them there. People don't talk about it there. But now, like knowledge I know now, if I'm going to get stuff, I'm probably going to get them in bulk because it costs less. And I still got to look at the thing I was looking into because I haven't tried it yet. And it's been, be doing certain things. I got to get certain things. So it's like, But I think I got to do something. I think I got to get it so I don't slow myself down. But that's what I'm really glad about this fast. It's been like being able to organize things, and it's like dealing with things more so often, like more head on. And I like how I've been meditating too. I gotta look more at my vision board. I'm telling y'all, I said this before in the videos, like manifesting with your vision board. Shoot, that junk is real powerful, bro. Real freaking powerful. Your thoughts are even more clear. So why wouldn't you want to manifest more when you got your vision board? You know what I'm saying? Create a vision board is things you want to see. We got tons of videos. We talked about that. Go ahead and look. Just type in our videos, vision board. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Why you need one too? Like, people who don't have no vision in life, they don't have any direction. They don't. People always have everything selected for themselves. It's kind of like how I expressed to y'all how I was on the other side of the country in Las Vegas. And I had I said I was the other side of the country at this conference, a business, and I was sitting down with people. And this girl, she said, you're very picky. And I said, so you got to be picky in life. You got to be decisive in life. You got to pick. Because if not, because those who don't pick, they'll get something picked for them. You ain't decisive, somebody going to choose for you. I don't just eat whatever, because whatever just ain't consumable for me. I got to be picky. I got to be picky about my life. I got to be picky. I got to choose. I got to choose what direction I want to choose in life. I want to choose which way I want to be in life. I want that freedom. I want that creation. Because I want it. That makes you picky. If you ain't picky, I don't know what you want. You probably a complacent individual in life. You're not trying to step your game up. I know I had to step my game up. You were trying to make an excuse for yourself, huh? Nah, man, I gotta step my game up, really. Gotta get out the devil's playground. That's something coming up too, you hear me? That's real spit. Can't give up. Can't give up. See things coming. Things about to be righteous. Things about to be right, you hear me? All that. I gave you a lot of sauce on this video. Shoot. People don't even talk about this. But you know, beans are hybrid, you know. Most beans are separate garbanzo beans, like being one of them, you know. And green beans, they're hybrid, you know. A lot of slicing going on. And slicing is not natural by earth, by nature, you know what I'm saying? So another thing too, I noticed when I kept eating, started making my stomach hurt. Started eating beans, I'm like, what the frick? I thought I thought I could eat this, but it kept making my stomach hurt because I was eating black beans, you know. And you know what? Some of you may say, well, I never had that feeling. When a lot of y'all haven't detoxed your body, you haven't changed your oral consumption base, aka your diet. You know, the food that you take. So as you begin to change your diet, you know, certain things you won't be able to tolerate because your body's just so clear. It's almost, I can give you an example as having a car and giving it the best gas there is in order to ride it more efficiently. And you see the car's results as it drives so smoothly and so precisely, opposed to taking the clug and the sluggish gas. You know, the car doesn't perform as well, very poorly compared to the best gas there is for it. But and it's like you can't go back now because it's like you know what's better. You know what's better. This is the best route for you. But and this is the thing is too, you may say it's more expensive, but that's how I was saying. I was giving y'all some free sauce on here, how to get the less amount for shopping for different plants and stuff, different plant based and stuff like that. So yeah. And two, it's like, and you save more. You cooking because you cooking your own. You're cooking at home, really. You cooking more at home. And it's two, it's actually say that, oh, you don't have the time. I mean, shoot, I don't know if you ain't got time to feed yourself. I mean, you got to make time. And there's a lot of stuff too. Like, let us know if y'all want to see a recipe, like a cookbook. Shoot, we got enough recipes. Shoot, the recipe need to be out. The cookbook need to be out, really. But let us know if y'all want to see that. Because like right here, you know, it's kind of like like this stuff, like you could just make this stuff, and then too, it's like when somebody else is making your food, like when someone, like the one I was talking about energy earlier, if someone is having like an awful day or just awful person or whatever, and they're making this food, whatever, that energy, don't ever think that it's not going into the food that you're consuming. Now, everything is not coming into the food that you're consuming. So when you consume that, you're consuming that negative energy. So this is why when you make your food, you are the one making it. And one, you know what's in it, you know the energy is in it, and you love the energy. You put the love in your food. You kiss your food. You say you love it. You speak life into it because you are life. This is why you eat life. This is why you eat the plants. This is why you eat the cucumber. This is why you eat the squash. This is why you eat the onions. You see what I'm saying? Eat the romaine. This is why you eat the watermelon with the seeds, the grape with the seeds. This is life. This is life. It has a seed. What? Nature. They call it Mother Nature. Woman bears fruit. It's fruit. It's bearing nature, bearing fruit. You dig? And nature does have other parts, you know, consistent of the male, you know what I'm saying? But this is all in reciprocity. It's all in deep connection, you know what I'm saying? Same way with the hair. Y'all want to grow your hair? All these videos on this YouTube or online, and these articles, they talking about hair growth or whatnot, but they're not talking about this or putting in the right amount of food in your body. They're just saying drink a lot of water. Drink a lot of water. What you consuming? What you consuming, huh? Because if I had known it's really connected, you really got to do a whole change up. But the change starts with you. What you gonna do? People want this magic pill thing. What's the side effects? Side effects? Please. You know what I'm saying? Rather ridiculous. Shoot, man. But if y'all want to book a consultation, y'all can send us a email at info@healingthroughinspiration.com with the subject consultation. Or you can just DM us on Instagram at healingthroughinspiration if you're not following us already. Go ahead and do that. We post on a regular. We're actually about to go post today. Yep. You know what I'm talking about. And I'm going to say this. We got our one-of-a-kind artwork at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop, as well as our apparel. One-of-a-kind apparel. We got hats, caps, snaps, caps, polos, t-shirts, design, accessories, socks. Go ahead and get something stylish, support us, you know what I'm saying? Get you something real stylish. And we got our one-of-a-kind artwork there, And you got I'm going to say this, we got our course too. For those who want to start a business, you don't know how. It's in the description box. Go ahead and get with it. Go ahead and get with it, man. For real. Sell yourself short. Don't be mad when you come up short. But I want to know to you guys, what problems have you found as far as the transitioning into vegan or alkaline, or what type of food do you eat? What problems have you found, or what do you face, or what's stopping you from being at least vegan? Let us know in the chat. Let us know in the comments. But if you haven't already, hit the like button. Shoot your arrows at the like button, y'all. Subscribe. Hit the bell notification. Daily uploads every single day. And share this too with those that need it. All right. Peace, love, and light, y'all.